How to flip image in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about, so I'm going to show you some easiest way that you can use and you can flip your image in Google Docs as per your requirements. Yeah, okay, so let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. Okay, so first thing, if you directly insert image in Google Docs like this, okay, I just search from web. Okay, if I insert image like this, or you can insert from computer or any other option like drive, photos and camera. Okay, so as of now there is no any option if you insert directly image in Google Docs. So here you can see there is no option to flip the image or make the mirror of image. So for if you want to flip your image, you need to use another option in Google Docs. I will show you what you need to do. Just go to the tools, just go to the insert option here, and we need to go in drawing. Go to the new drawing, and here you need to insert the image. You can insert from your computer. I just search in net. Okay, so you need to just insert that image which you want to insert, you want to flip or mirror. Okay, so you can see if you select the image, now in action button here you can see the option called flips. Okay, you can flip horizontal or vertically. If I flip the horizontal, this will be flipped like at your left side, and if I flip on vertical, it will be flip down. But manual also you can do, like if you want to flip your left side, you have to just click that arrow, hold it, you need to flip like this. Okay, if you want to flip like your upper, you can see you can flip like this. After flip, as per your requirement, just cut it, or you can simply paste here. Go to the paste, it will be paste here, and you can see the image has been insert. Or simply you can, after you done your flipping in drawing, you need to just click save and close, then your image will be insert there. And if you want to move your image, you need to select the option. I will show you, let me. Okay, I just flip that image like this. Okay, after that just go to the save and close, then image will be inserted like this. Now you need to select this option, wrap text, and now you can easily move this image as per your requirement. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.